Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're craving that perfect crispy texture on your fries, chicken wings or roasted veggies, but hate the oil splatters from traditional frying, waiting forever for your oven to preheat, or dealing with small air fryers that can't handle family-sized portions, then get hyped because today we're frying up a kitchen superstar. It's the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. This powerhouse has a massive 7-quart capacity for cooking up to 4 pounds of fries at once, hotter air technology for even crispier results with up to 75% less fat, and 5 functions like air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want faster, healthier meals with restaurant quality crunch for your family or meal prep, this air fryer is the upgrade that'll make cooking exciting again. Let's break it down and see why it's a pro choice in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. This is a 5-in-1 air fryer with a large 7-quart nonstick basket that's perfect for bigger batches. Cook a whole 5-pound chicken or 4 pounds of wings without crowding. The hotter air technology uses a powerful 1,750-watt heater and rapid fan to circulate super hot air up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering extra crispy exteriors and tender insides with little to no oil. The digital touch controls are simple with 5 preset functions: air fry for classics like nuggets or fries, roast for meats and veggies, bake for desserts like cookies, reheat to revive leftovers without sogginess, and dehydrate for making fruit chips or jerky at low temps up to 12 hours. The basket and crisper plate are ceramic-coated non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. And the unit is compact at 16.75 inches long, 12.05 wide, 14.03 high, weighing about 11.7 pounds. It fits on counters without taking over. Setup is a breeze. Plug in, preheat in minutes, add food, select your mode and time, and let it cook with auto shutoff for safety. Priced around $149, it includes a recipe book with 20 ideas to get you started, and it's designed for up to 30% faster cooking than ovens while using 75% less fat. Versatility is a big win. Air fry for crispy textures, roast for juicy results, bake evenly, reheat like new, or dehydrate snacks. The large basket means fewer batches for families, and the hotter air ensures that golden crunch every time. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. The pros are Frying Pro. Massive 7-quart capacity for family-sized meals without multiple rounds. Hotter air tech for superior crispiness with less oil. Easy one-touch controls and quick preheat for busy nights. Dishwasher-safe parts that make cleanup a snap. And 5 functions that replace your oven or dehydrator for space savings. Users love how it cooks evenly, saves on oil for healthier options, and the large size handles parties or meal prep effortlessly. It's quiet, reliable, and delivers that perfect crunch. On the con side, the large size might crowd smaller counters. Some note it can smoke with high-fat foods if not cleaned regularly. Reheat function works best for crispy items, but not as well for soft foods. And a few mention the fan is a bit loud on high, though most say it's tolerable. Overall, pros dominate for everyday use. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL if you cook for groups or want healthier crisps. And the pros like large capacity, fast cooking, and easy clean make sense for your kitchen. It's ideal for families, entertainers, or anyone upgrading from basic air fryers to pro-level performance. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your kitchen cooking, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a cooking friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.